Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, open your browser and search for Freepik AI, or visit the official Freepik website. Click Sign Up if you're a new user. You can create your account using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Freepik dashboard. On the left side, you'll find different AI tools. Select the AI video generator to start creating videos. Now let's create our first AI video. In the prompt box, don't just type a few words. The secret to getting high quality results is writing a detailed prompt. For example, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic camera movement, realistic lighting, ultra detailed, 4K quality, dramatic atmosphere. Notice how this prompt describes the scene, lighting, camera movement, and overall style. The more specific your prompt is, the better your final video will look. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Select 16:9 for YouTube videos, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram posts. After that, choose the video quality and duration based on your available credits. If you're using the free plan, shorter videos help you make the most of your free generation. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Freepik AI will take a few moments to process your request and create your video. When your video is ready, preview it carefully. If the motion, lighting, or style isn't exactly what you wanted, simply edit your prompt by adding more details or changing the camera angle, then generate it again. Small prompt improvements often produce dramatically better results. Now here's an important question. Are these videos copyright free? In most cases, the videos you generate using your own prompts can be used according to Freepik's licensing terms. However, always review the latest license and usage rules before publishing commercial content, especially if you're working on client projects or monetized YouTube videos. Finally, download your AI video in the available resolution and start using it for YouTube, social media, advertisement, presentations, or creative projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.